In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send cold emails go high level with Instantly. By the end, you'll have the core trigger in place so your cold email workflow can start the moment a contact gets the right tag, keeping your outreach clean, trackable, and easy to scale. Start by logging into your GoHighLevel account and heading to your main dashboard. On the left-hand menu, open Automation. This is where all of your workflows live. Think of a workflow as the automation brain that decides when to start, who to act on, and what to do next. Create a new workflow and choose Start from Scratch. Beginning with a blank canvas gives you full control. It's a good idea to name the workflow clearly, something like cold email instantly tag trigger, so your team instantly understands its purpose later. Next, add a new trigger. In the trigger search, type tag. From the options that appear, select contact tag. This tells GoHighLevel to watch for changes to a contact's tags, which is perfect for kicking off cold email sequences based on segmentation or list uploads. Add filters so the trigger only fires under the right condition. Choose the option for tag added. This ensures the workflow starts when a new tag is applied to a contact, rather than when one is removed or merely exists. Then, select the specific tag you use to indicate a prospect should enter your cold email sequence. Use a consistent naming convention, such as CE Instantly Campaign A, so it's obvious which campaign the tag belongs to. Save the trigger to lock in those settings, and then save the workflow itself. At this point, the foundation is ready. Whenever you apply that chosen tag to a contact, this workflow will activate. From here, you'll add the actions that send emails or hand off to Instantly, but the critical first step is making sure the trigger is precise and reliable. A few quick tips before you roll this out widely. Test with a sample contact first to confirm the trigger fires as expected. Keep the workflow in draft until your actions are fully configured. Use unique tags for different campaigns to avoid mixing audiences, and document your tag meanings so teammates don't guess. Finally, follow cold email best practices. Warm up sending domains, personalize your messaging, and comply with relevant regulations in your region. That's it. The essential trigger is in place, giving you a clean tag-based way to start your GoHighLevel cold email campaigns and connect them with Instantly.